Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to reset Outlook to default settings in Windows PC. This is particularly useful when you're experiencing issues with your Outlook application or simply want to start fresh with a clean slate. Let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account. This step is important because it allows your emails to fully load, ensuring that Outlook is running properly before we proceed with the reset. Give it a moment to sync everything up and display your inbox. Now that your emails have loaded and Outlook is running smoothly, we can move forward with resetting it to default settings. To do this, you'll need to access your control panel. Simply hit the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Control Panel. Once you see it appear in the search results, press Enter to open it. The control panel is where Windows stores all your system settings and configurations, making it the perfect place to manage Outlook's profile settings. From your control panel window, look for the Mail icon. It should be labeled with Microsoft Outlook, making it easy to identify among the other options. Click on this icon to proceed with the reset process. This action will open the Mail Setup window, which is where we'll make the necessary changes to reset Outlook to its default configuration. Once the Mail Setup window appears, the process becomes quite straightforward. Look for the Profiles section and click on the Show Profiles button located there. This will reveal your existing Outlook profile. You'll see the profile you've been using listed in this window. Click on it to select it, and then click the Remove button. This action effectively resets the current settings to default by removing your existing profile configuration. Keep in mind that after doing this, you'll need to set up your email account again when you next open Outlook, but it will be starting with completely fresh default settings. And there you have it. You've successfully reset Outlook to its default settings on your Windows PC, giving you a clean starting point to work from. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.